case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2012, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard the case of United States v. Truman, which centered around the conviction of Jeffrey E. Truman Sr. and his son for arson-related charges. Truman Jr. confessed to committing the arson at his father's direction and testified against his father in court. Despite his conviction, Truman Sr. was granted a motion for a judgment of acquittal or a new trial by the district court, which argued that his son's testimony was inadmissible hearsay. The case raised the question of whether a judgment of acquittal can be reviewed if granted after the jury's verdict, and if the double jeopardy clause prevents a new trial if there was a legal error in the first one. The government appealed the district court's decision, and the Court of Appeals vacated the judgment of acquittal, ordering a new trial. The court found that Truman Jr.'s testimony was credible and properly admitted, and that government misconduct during cross-examination and summation had occurred, but did not deprive Truman Sr. of a fair trial. Ultimately, the Court of Appeals reinstated Truman Sr.'s conviction and instructed the district court to enter a judgment of conviction, ruling that the prosecution's case was strong enough even without Truman Jr.'s testimony, and that the district court had erred in its decision to grant acquittal and a new trial.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.